Hi cake friends, welcome back to Shelly's Baked Cakes. We are doing all things patriotic today here in my kitchen. We're gonna make some seriously yummy patriotic popcorn. It's so fun and happy. You guys can take it to all your family parties, or for this year if you guys are just staying home, then you can make it at home and your families will love it. It's super easy and it just looks so festive and fun, so I decided to share it with you guys today. All right, let's get started, you guys. I popped 12 cups of popcorn. So it really is 1 cup of popcorn kernels which pop, and it makes more than 12 cups, but I like to have a little bit of extra. So we have our popcorn. I've divided it here and I put 8 cups of popcorn right here in this bowl. And then in my next bowl, I'm gonna put 2 cups of popcorn in 2 separate bowls. So 2 cups here and 2 cups here. I also need marshmallows. We have our yummy marshmallows. I have a 16-ounce package of marshmallows that I'm going to melt. So we're gonna pop these in the microwave, guys. Okay, now that our marshmallow is melted, as you can see, we are gonna dump it on top of our 8 cups of popcorn. So just dump this marshmallow mixture right on top. Mix it really good. And then we're gonna just spread it out on a wax paper or parchment paper. After we spread it out on our paper, we are going to add some M&Ms. I'm gonna put some baby M&Ms in here and some sprinkles, of course, because, you know, I love sprinkles. So we're gonna put some sprinkles and some little M&Ms on top of this popcorn. Just kind of sprinkle it around, make it look happy. And then we're gonna let this dry. So set this aside. You can see I have my blue candy melts and my red candy melts, and we are going to make some blue and red popcorn. So we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna melt, I put about 3/4 cup of candy melts in each of these cups, and I'm gonna melt them in the microwave. So pop them in, and now we're just gonna mix it and make sure it's nice and melted and smooth, and we're gonna dump it over this bowl of 2 cups of popcorn. We're gonna dump the blue right on top. Make this seriously cute blue popcorn. And then we're gonna spread it out on another wax paper. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the red. Now that it's dry, we're gonna mix it all together. And if you want to add a few more sprinkles and just add a few more mini M&Ms, there you have it, guys. Patriotic popcorn, super cute, super yummy, and so easy. I hope you guys had fun watching this fun, cute, patriotic popcorn come together. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelly's Baked Cakes, and have an awesome day.